Hey guys, today we have a Whirlpool direct drive washer and electric dryer matching set, and I've got it hooked up running right now. Let's see, we've got Super Plus on the water level, so you actually get to control the water level here. Wash temp, cold, hot, where it's going to actuate both valves and do both hot and cold for a warm setting. Extra rinse, we can turn that on or off, and you have a ton of different cycles here. One of the best things about both of these sets is you have the analog style dial, so you don't have to worry about power surges or any of that stuff. Tried and true, one of the best, in my opinion, washers and dryers you can still get your hands on if you can find them. Inside, filling up, 2-part agitator here. Now these move freely clockwise, not back counterclockwise. That's how you know this is working correctly. And it essentially vortexes the clothes in down and around the middle and back out the side, and does this vortexing motion with full water submersion. Got a whole bunch of shop towels, bath towel size and hand towel size in here. That's what I'm going to use for this last test load here. Do about 4 loads, check all those settings and everything, and make sure everything sounds good, no leaks, drain works, and nice fast smooth final spin cycle. All things you'd want to check is if you're standing here yourself checking it out. That's what this video is for. You get to see everything works. So as soon as it's all the way full, I'll come back and show you those things. Then once the washer's all done, we'll move over to the electric dryer and show you that everything here is working. We'll just put it on a time dry high heat setting. You've got actually 5 heat settings, because you have those 4 plus air fluff no heat setting for super delicate items. Lint trap right here. And we'll do that as soon as the washer is done. Alright, we can hear that agitator. That's called the agitator kick. That's how you know it's working correctly. If you just heard a hum, then you know your agitator would spin freely in both directions and actually wouldn't be working correctly. So what it's doing is it's kicking, drawing those clothes in, then moving back, in, and then you have fins on the bottom that move in the opposite direction, and so these get vortex down. This has the style of lid switch that's tucked up under the console here, so I can't bypass it in any way or put anything in it to show you what's going on, but he's still here. It's got a nice strong agitation and full water submersion, as you just saw there. Alright, moving out of the wash cycle into the rinse cycle. It's draining that water out. Got a super long drain hose here too. Once it's done draining the water out, it'll switch over, spin to extract the used up water, fill all the way back up with fresh water for the rinse cycle, agitate for a bit, and then we'll be on to that final spin cycle, which is what I'll come back for next. Alright, we're back. Final spin cycle. We're spinning nice and fast. As you can see from the outside, super smooth, sounds great. Now what I'm going to do is lift the lid up. The safety lid switch will engage and shut it down, but you'll be able to see that it's spinning nice and fast before it does put the brakes on and slow it down completely. It comes to a stop there. We'll just kind of let it kick back up to speed, finish up, and then once it's all done, we'll move over to the dryer. Alright, now we've got the washer cleaned and cleared out, so we go ahead and close that up there. We come over here, time dry. You've also got, like I mentioned, the air fluff and an automatic dry, which you can set the heat setting as you wish there. Very dry, cool down with the wrinkle shield, so tons of options there for getting just about anything you want dry. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So it's about 89 degrees on top of the dryer, 73 degrees on the concrete floor. So we'll go ahead and open this up. You see everything tumbling, nice bright light. So right inside the heating element tube, it's nice and hot. Hot air comes directly out of that tube there, mixes with the clothes, and exits right there, which is where the lint trap would catch any additional lint there. So we'll go ahead and close that up, push that start button. And that's going to do it for these. We'll let that finish up. Go ahead and get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.